This is a hailstorm, Texas, April 18th. And those are about marble-sized hail coming down. You can see the hail right there. Alright, that's it. Big hail though, about the size of a marble. Be interesting to see what damage does to the car. I've lost the satellite signal too because of it.